Hey guys, today I'm gonna see how many onions I can cut until I just can't anymore, meaning how many my eyes can take. Oh my gosh. I bought this huge bag of onions from Costco. This is a lot of onions. I wanna make sure that my eyes are completely bare, so I have contacts in right now. I'm gonna take them off. My vision is pretty bad. I have like 3.5 here, 3.25. Hopefully I don't cut myself. I'm gonna sharpen my knife because I wanna make sure that I can cut as many as possible. Usually I can go through a lot before like I completely just start bawling, whereas Nate can only cut like half of one. So I'm just using this regular knife sharpener. It's nothing special. Actually this knife set and the cutting board is by Material Kitchen. This is not sponsored at all, but you guys ask me all the time where I get my knife and cutting board, so I thought I would just let you know. I have a store, so if you guys want to see all of the stuff I use in the kitchen, be sure to click on the link in the description box. So you have to make sure your knives are always sharp so that it just slices through everything like butter and it's more efficient. Let me just rinse this off real quick. Let's do this. Comment below and let me know how many you think I can do before I just completely start bawling and can't anymore. So we're just gonna cut the tip off. This doesn't count. It's a little blurry, but I can see. I mean, try or don't try this at home. I don't know. Make this a challenge with your friends. So far, so good. It's kind of stinging, to be honest. It's kind of stinging. I can get through one for sure. I did hear that there's a trick or a hack that if you put your onions in the fridge, it keeps it from... It keeps... Damn! Oh my god, I thought I could do this. No, we're gonna keep going. I did read that if you put your onions in the fridge, that it keeps it from... One. Done. We will get through at least 5. Okay, we're gonna do this. We can do this. I am better than this. It's so weird, like once you start tearing up, you start like sniffling too. But hey, this is good for meal prep because I use so much onions anyways in my cooking, so these onions are at least not gonna go to waste. We're just gonna put them in the freezer. We need to do at least 5. I was just putting down Nate because he couldn't even do half of one, but these are really like spicy onions and they're like extra large. Are my eyes all red? Why did I take on such a challenge? I was all cocky before, but like, maybe actually though, I feel like once your eyes burn through, like it's not as bad. Like this one is not as bad. Like clearly I am tearing up, but I almost feel like it's resistant now. This doesn't sting as bad. This one did not sting as bad at all. 2. Do onions last in the freezer? 3. We're a cooking channel. This is related to food. We thought it would be fun. I do have another cooking tutorial coming out for you this week. So if you think I've like completely gone bonkers due to quarantine, number 1, I have. But number 2, I'm still doing cooking tutorials. This week we'll have some fun drinks. If you guys think I can keep going and if you want me to keep going, root me on by chopping that like button. Crushing that like button, I don't know, maybe that works more for garlic. I'm immune to onions now. Okay, that one was pretty easy. I feel like maybe peeling the onions is a little worse. Why do people cry? Like, what is it about onions that make people cry? Okay, we got through 3. I'm gonna be honest, I don't think I can do the whole bag. Like, this is the most painful. The most like burning is right now, actually. The peeling wasn't very pleasant either. Let's clear the area. Okay, my goal at this point is just to make it to 5 because I honestly, this is not pleasant. You're gonna get it. Okay, 4. I can't. Is this it? This is why they have tools for this, like those chopper thingies. But also, whoever cuts this many onions at once? They're getting a lot more sloppy, the slices. Okay. 4. That was a struggle. I also feel like these are ginormo onions. This isn't really a fair challenge because like the ones from the store is half this size. Okay. At least my knife just like slices through like butter. Okay, I probably could do one more, but I kind of just don't want to. Okay, because I'm an overachiever, because I always like to go above and beyond, we're gonna do one more. At this point, I almost feel like my eyes have developed immunity because I'm not crying as badly this time. Now the question is, can I fill 4 bowls of onions? I'm kind of feeling like I'm hitting a stride that I've built immunity. This one did not burn at all. Could be the onion. What number is this? Add it up. You're starting to feel it from here. Nate's starting to feel it from where he's standing after number 7. Okay, I honestly think that I've built immunity after the first few because this one doesn't sting as much either. Maybe you just have to like take the pain and then it gets easier. You guys, like, I feel good right now. Do you seriously want me to keep going? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 left. The problem is, where am I gonna store all this? We'll make French onion soup with this, or we'll make like onion jam. Ooh, I can make onion bacon jam. That sounds really good. It's like savory jam. You just like spread it in sandwiches with like tomatoes. Ooh, so good, so good. Or like French onion risotto, which is also in my cookbook. If you guys haven't pre-ordered my book yet, be sure to hit the link in the description box below. You liked how I plugged it there? This one burns. This one burns. Maybe it's depending on the individual onion because this one is really strong. We're just gonna fill up the rest of these bowls. I feel like the ones that are more green, that have a little bit more green on them, like this one, are a little more potent. So far, opening this one up, okay, this one definitely didn't burn as much as that one. That one was a breeze. That one didn't make me cry at all. I can tell if it's gonna be a stinger when I start peeling it. When I cut the tips off and then I'm starting to peel the onion. Is this number 10? We have 4 more. I feel like I can do the whole thing, but I don't know if I will. Just so you guys know though, there has been no breaks. Like I have not stopped and taken a break at all. Like I'm going at it. This one has like a greener tip right here. This one burns. Stop or keep going? This one I feel like is gonna burn. It already is. Look how green it is. Honestly, I don't even know. Like at this point, I feel like I'm just onion delirious. Where am I gonna put this one? I ran out of bowls. I wanna challenge someone to do this. So if there's anyone you think you wanna see do it, shout them out, tweet this video, and have them try the onion challenge. It's just a matter of will at this point. Can't lose. I mean, there's nothing really on the line other than my dignity. Not even. I don't know what's on the line. My eyesight, pretty much. Honestly though, I will be cooking these down so the onions aren't gonna go to waste. Like we eat so many onions in a week anyways. I've lost count, but I pretty much only have, oh, there's only 2 left. We can do this. We're gonna cut through 10 pounds of onions. Honestly, the smell of onion is more nauseous to me right now than the burning sensation. I'm just like, it's making me sick. What'd you do today, Zang? Oh, you know, nothing, just cut through 10 pounds of onions. I know, this is like the most random video I've ever done. 'Tis the days of quarantine, which we are still just staying home. So as you can see, we're a little bit delirious. The last onion in a 10-pound bag. Do you see this right here? 10 pounds of onion. A 10-pound bag. I'm kind of proud of myself. Like, I feel accomplished. I know I can do this. I see the finish line, guys. I am also kind of surprised I didn't cut myself because I don't have any contacts in. You guys, don't try this at home. Life in 2020 is not normal. So this is not normal, but you know what? It is what it is, and I cut through 10 pounds of onions. I am also delirious from the smell of onions, so I'm gonna go shower and take a nap. Comment below and let me know if you think I'm just insane or if you have something negative to say about this. Look, it's fine. We're all quarantined. We're just trying to keep ourselves entertained, and I hope you found this entertaining. So like and subscribe if you want to see the next video, which will be a super delicious tutorial on your favorite tricks. So I will see you guys next time. Bye!